Hello, hi friends. Today we are going to discuss multiple domain hosting. This is the best package if you are have multiple domains for your business. This is multi-purpose domain hosting. If you are working the multiple domains, then you need this. If you have a company, your company have multiple domain, then you need it. If you are working with domain and hosting provider company, then you need it. Today we are going to discuss this multiple domain hosting system. This is the we are today going to discuss uniquelinks.com.pk wale website. This is the basic plan of this hosting plan. Today we are going to this is the multi-domain hosting plan. Today we are going to discuss. They have two plans: 5 GB hosting plan, unlimited domains hosting plans. First of all, we are going to discuss 5 GB hosting plan. This is in this plan we are getting 5 GB disk space, 25 GB bandwidth, one free domains, and you can add host 5 domains in this hosting package. If you buy this package, you will be attach 5 domains in this package. Unlimited database, there are no any restriction to connect your database, and this is the unlimited database. You can attach unlimited email boxes in this hosting. Email boxes for each domain. Every domain got their own email system. There are no single email system. They are have one. They are need multiple system. Web email enabled. Web email. This is means when a user click on the web mail portal, they are getting the portal. In this portal, he can check check their emails. He can send and receive emails in this portal. This emails are also supported, Outlook supported. You can use this all email criteria, all email systems. It can supported in Outlooks. Windows Linux server. This is the total. Both are supported. This hosting, 5 domain hosting are supported. Windows and Linux servers both supported. Soft cloud installation. This is the soft class Linux based server that are many software that are already included in this hosting, like WordPress, Joomla, and many and much more that are based on Linux. They are already installed in this. You will be get one domain in this package free of cost for you. That domain may be consist of .com, .net, r.info, r.org. You can get any domains using these any domains from you can get any domain from the in this package one free domain name. Their domain name is .com, .net, info, or .org. This package contain just starting from 74 and 34 and $71 per month. They are going to charge this package. We are going to explain you briefly 5 GB domain. If your domains have, if your system network or your company have 5 or 4 domains, then this is the best package for you to buy the domains. You will be buy and enjoy the ultimate benefits of the hosting plans. After this, if you have don't know how much your company have the websites domains like 25, 30, 50, 20, 15, then I suggest you, I recommend you, then you buy the unlimited domain hosted package. In this package you will be get a maximum benefits than the 5 GB domain hosting. Like in this package you got the 5 GB space, but unlimited hosting you will be get the package 35 GB space. This is the biggest difference between a 5 GB hosting and unlimited hosting. And the 5 GB you will be get 25 GB bandwidth, but in this you will be get the 200 GB bandwidth. Bandwidth means you can send and receive data. In the monthly based, you will be get the 200 GB bandwidth. This is consist of count on the monthly base. One free domain in this package. This package also contain have a 1 GB one free domain. This have 5 domain can be hosted, but in this package you can host unlimited domains hosting. Maybe this will be limited, maybe limited 200 or 50, but this means you will be get the unlimited hosting. But in this both are contain the unlimited databases. This package also get the unlimited, this batch also get the unlimited. There is, and the next is unlimited email boxes. You can create the unlimited email hosting accounting like this domain. Every main box has the each domains. Every domain box work with their own domains. Like if you have 1.com, 2.com, 3.com, every domain have different their unique, their own email system. And also you will be got the webmail enable, the webmail enable in this hosting panel. And the next you will be got the outlook panels facility available in this package. You will be get the webmail supported and enable already enable in this unlimited hosting package. And this is also be supported outlook supported. You can use this all the emails account in the outlook. You will be know outlook is the best and the powerful tool when the worldwide to see and send and receive the email system. This is also a Windows and Linux based servers. Both servers he can supported, both server Linux based and Windows based server. Soft close Linux servers. All the their soft close, all soft close software are already installed or pre-built in this package. You can just click and install them into according to your desire. If your website is using the WordPress, Joomla and any type of website, then you can use this software services in the Linux service in this package. In this package you will be got a .com domain. Free domain consists of, this is the free domain consists of .com. You can be get the domain in .com, and the dot maybe you will be got the .org, you will be get the .info, and you will be get any of them .net. You will be get the any four of this any type of domains using this portal. This package just starting from $66.26. If you want to order both of these any package like 5 domain hosting, if you require the unlimited hosting, you just have to click the order now button. A form will be appear onto your screen. You have to fulfill the form and you will be get the package suddenly at the time of after the creation the account. You will be get the your own account and you will be able to host your domains. All domains are working perfectly. You will be get a name server. You will be install name server from your site, then you add the name server. You will be get the benefits of the hosting plans like for you. This is the best plan for your small business. If your business have the limited type of domains, you will be got this package. I recommend you, this is the best package for you. If your company have 10, 20, 30, or you don't know exactly how much you have domains, you will be get this package. You don't need to again buying the hosting for each domain. You just buy this package and you will be enjoy the all benefits that you will be get in the each domains. In this domains you will be get the more space, more bandwidth. You will be get the one free domains. You can create the unlimited hosting domains, unlimited database. You can create unlimited email boxes. You will be create, and you will be get the fully supported your Outlook. You will be get the fully supported via online services. This is Windows and both servers you will be supported. If you are small system, you just pay $34 and 71 cents. If you are business large challenge, you pay you $66 and $26. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. You will be notified by when we are uploaded one video. Thanks for your watching.